In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore Google Chrome tabs after a restart. We've all been there. You're in the middle of an important task or leisurely browsing the web when suddenly your computer needs to restart or you accidentally close your browser and all your carefully curated tabs disappear. Don't worry, there's an easy way to get back exactly where you left off. Let's dive into it. The first method is a nifty keyboard shortcut that's incredibly efficient. All you need to do is press and hold the Ctrl, Shift, and T keys simultaneously. This combination is like a magic wand for your browser, instantly reopening the last tab you closed. If you continue pressing this trio of keys, you'll continue to reopen closed tabs in order. It's really a lifesaver for those times when you've got multiple tabs set up just the way you like them. This feature effectively takes you back in your browsing history, one tab at a time, until you've restored everything you need. But what if you prefer not to use keyboard shortcuts? Or perhaps you're just not a fan of cluttering your brain with more key combinations? Well, we've got you covered there too. You can simply use your mouse to achieve the same result. Here's how. Start by looking at the navigation bar at the top of your Chrome browser. This is where you type in web addresses, so it should be very familiar territory. Simply right-click anywhere in this bar. When you do, a context menu will appear. From this menu, look for an option that says something akin to Reopen Closed Tabs or Reopen Closed Window. Click on it, and just like that, your last closed tab will be back in action. Now, let's talk about a few additional tips to make your browsing experience even more robust. If you often find yourself needing to recover groups of tabs, consider using Chrome's built-in ability to restore entire sessions. You can do this by heading into Chrome's settings. Just click on the three little dots in the top right corner of your browser window, hover over History, and you'll see a list of your recently closed tabs and windows. Here, you can restore entire windows with all the tabs intact as they were before the restart. It's also worth mentioning that keeping your browser updated ensures that these handy features work smoothly. Google Chrome frequently updates, bringing small yet significant changes that might affect how these restoration processes appear or function. So whenever you notice an update, it's a good idea to let it install. With these straightforward techniques, you can effortlessly regain access to your lost tabs, saving yourself from frustration and helping maintain your workflow just the way you like it. Whether you prefer the quick keyboard shortcuts or the more leisurely right-click approach, restoring your tabs in Google Chrome couldn't be simpler. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.